downtown Royal Oak doing it for the vlog. Look at this girl over here. Now, what the hell she doing with that hair? That jungle fever looking shit. Boobies for days, boy. About to head to the movies. She act like she don't want to buy me my Canon G7X. She the one that's messing me up for my vloggers, you know what I'm saying? I mean my subscribers.
Why do you talk to people like that?
Talk to people like what? I don't talk to people no way. She tripping. Silence.
You're racist.
Silence means I won that round, people. Hey, here go Mr. Beast Pub right here. See what I'm talking about? We trying to go somewhere and she just tripping. She off that Molly. Oh, see, she even opening the wrong side of the door and shit. What type of shit is that? So we in Mr. Beast Pubs, getting some drinks. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. It's filled with alcohol. You know how I do it. You're not gonna say something to my.
You don't even buy a toothpaste coming up to brush your teeth. There are soap to wash your clothes.
I mean, who not buy a toothpaste or soap? Look at what toothpaste and soap I buy and bringing it.
Yeah.
This year I try this me. Well, I'm not gonna say nothing because the Bible said be a lender, not a borrower.
Quote Psalm when you're in trouble, but know Jesus when you're in your trouble.
I know Jesus all the days of my life. Last thing may I tell you, the Bible said, be a lender and not a borrower. That's what the Bible said. So I need $100.
Come now. You're lucky,
I don't know why my mom act like she can't give me $100 towards my G7X.